pretty cold.
But
this just turned off. I'll get the data on all of these last. Not cold, but it just started up. I'll get the data. 2021. Say 1.5 probably. Look at that unit. Wow, this is old. This is.
They're changing this next year, big time for units.
I'm not sure what
manufacturing and everything
brand
and that's
this
why I
is.
decided to go back and
Has not been running. It's a York. Oh, I'm tripping on stuff.
there's some kind of
A bottle,
I don't know.
2-ton from
So
I don't know. 2006. I'm gonna say 2006. Energy guy just torn off there. 2018 2-ton. It's got a train compressor with a Gentech fan motor. Okay. Then we got this one. Oh, there are all the line sets. All going in right there. Yeah. Kind of like neighborhood, like some duplexes. But this unit is working. I mean, look at my hand after touching that.